You know, we all have a lot of data, and it has to positively, absolutely stay safe. It can't get into the wrong hands, and the biggest challenge we have is how to transfer it from here to there. We all know as leaders that legacy tools that transfer our important files and sensitive data are mostly outdated and fall short on security, especially with the demands of today's remote workforce. Relying on outdated technology puts our organization's brand at risk, and that is unacceptable. So we are excited to invite you to step into the future of completely secured managed file transfer from our friends at Kiteworks. Kiteworks is absolutely, positively the most secure managed file platform on the market today. They've been FedRAMP moderate authorized by the Department of Defense since 2017. And unlike traditional legacy systems with limited functionality, Kiteworks has unmatched software security with ongoing bounty programs and regular pen testing to minimize vulnerabilities. And the coolest part, they have easy to use one-click appliance updates you will love. Step into the future of secure managed file transfer with Kiteworks. Visit kiteworks.com to get started. That's kiteworks.com to get started today. And now the show. Hey everybody, we are back after a short hiatus. This is David Morrow, your host. Welcome everybody. We are excited about what is coming up this month. We've got exclusive interviews you're not going to find anywhere else. We've got some great new cybercrime stories and some breaking news and topics that we're going to be addressing with some leaders in the industry. Inside information about some investigations that we've been working on. We're excited to bring them to you. We also have a new sponsor, Kiteworks, a secured managed file transfer software platform that is outstanding, the most secure thing we've seen, and we're really excited about partnering with them. We've got some new guests and a new approach. So we're taking your questions. As you know, we've been inviting you to leave comments in the videos and to submit questions, and a lot of you have, and we're really excited about that. Continue to submit your questions by emailing us at info@cybercrimejunkies.com or at our website, cybercrimejunkies.com. There's a button right there. Submit your questions. We read them all. We address them all. We're also excited about new video episodes. Video episodes will be launched every single week starting this month, and they will air every Thursday night at 8 p.m. and a replay will be every Sunday night at 5 p.m. They'll be available on YouTube, Rumble, a host of other video channels, all at Cybercrime Junkies Podcast, or also available on LinkedIn as well. You can find Cybercrime Junkies on LinkedIn or find me, David Morrow, right there on LinkedIn. Again, this will all continue at no cost to any of our listeners and viewers. Our only ask is if you enjoy the show, simply leave us a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts. It really helps with the algorithm. If you don't like the show, please don't leave a review. But if you do, we could really use 5-star reviews. Make a comment. Let us know what you like about the show, and we'll continue to bring you more of what matters. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel or our Rumble channels. Follow us. It's free. We don't email you. We don't spam you. That really helps with the algorithm. We're really trying to keep this going, and we really appreciate your support. We're going to continue to bring you this. Look for regular cadence of episodes starting tomorrow. We're very excited about this. There's going to be several episodes launched every single week. So check it out. We're going to continue to socialize cybersecurity, translate it into business terms we all understand, and sharing true cybercrime stories to raise awareness. Thank you for all your support. This is Cybercrime Junkies. And now back to the show. Well, things aren't getting any safer online, and we're excited to tell you about our exclusive offer for Aura, which is linked in the show notes below. Hey everyone, this is your host, David Morrow, and we often get asked about individual safety and ways to protect loved ones or small business employees when they're online. So we turn to our friends at Cyber Threat Group, a full-service security consultancy located here in the US, and they told us all about Aura. You might have even seen actor Robert Downey Jr. in their television ads. Look, identity theft isn't cheap. The FTC reports that Americans lost $8.8 billion in identity theft and personal fraud this year, and can cost you personally hundreds of thousands of dollars. Aura provides it all. Financial and identity theft protection, a lightning-fast VPN for online privacy, antivirus, a password manager, and even parental controls for safe gaming and spam call protection. So protect your family or your employees when they get online. Give the gift of online safety. Check out the link in our show notes from our friends at Cyber Threat Group today. Aura is a great way to protect yourselves online. Check out Aura today and stay safe online.